Hello friends, so today's lecture we are discussing the genetic engineering paper of this our biotechnology. Okay, so in this we are discussing the unit third, that is a polymerase chain reaction. That is our PCR. Okay, so P stands for polymerase and the C stands for chain and the R it is stands for the reaction. Okay, so the PCR it is a important two nowadays. So you are the know that, so the coronaviruses in this for to the diagnosis of the coronaviruses, the most of these the laboratories lab diagnosis for to the using of this the reverse transcription type of this the polymerase chain of reaction. Okay, so the full form of this the PCR, that is a polymerase chain reaction. In this the various time, that is only the short form of this the reaction are using in this the various books. Okay, so this is a polymerase chain reaction. Okay, so according to the meaning, the poly means the many and this the chain means it is a one attached to the another, and the reaction we know about this the reaction to synthesize. Okay, poly means many and the chain means one attached to another, and this the reaction, this is the synthesis. Okay, तर आपण पॉलिमरेज चेन ऑफ द रिएक्शन, सो इन दिस याच्यामध्ये काय करतो आपण, मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ द न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स आर सिंथेसाइजिंग अँड देन टू द अटॅच टू द अनदर टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द glycosidic. Okay, that is a hydrogen bonding in between the nucleotides. Okay, not the glycosidic linkages. Okay, it is a backbone of this the, it is made up of this the sugar, but in this the linkage between this the one molecule to the another of this the DNA through the hydrogen bonding. Okay, the polymerase chain of the reaction मध्ये simple तुम्हाला सांगतो काय करतो आपण, in this the to synthesizing the large copy of this the genetic material, that is our the DNA. Okay, reverse transcriptase, it is also the type of the polymerase chain of the reaction. They in this the there are the converted the RNA into the single stranded DNA or then into the double stranded DNA. Okay, it is also possible through the polymerase chain of the reaction. So firstly we are discussing the what is the history of this the polymerase chain of the reaction. The history is that, so PCR it is a powerful technique. Okay, it is amplifying the DNA, was discovered by the scientist Kary Mullis. Kary Mullis in the year of 1983. The scientist Kary Mullis, he was first discovered by the polymerase chain of the reaction in this the CETUS Corporation of San Francisco in USA. In this the cooperation with the Francisco USA in 1983. Okay, through the CETUS publication and the developed the polymerase chain reaction, that is a PCR according to the Hoffman and the LSE Roche, they did not invent it. Okay, so the PCR first discovered in 1973. So it is before to this the scientist Kary Mullis, the scientist CETUS, Hoffman, L.A. Roche, they did not invent it. PCR was described in 1973. They did not describe the what is a PCR in 1973. Then the science published the PCR as a major scientific development, and the Taq DNA polymerase enzyme used in this technique were described by the molecule of the year 1889. अगोदर जे 1883 मध्ये जे डिस्कवर झालेलं होतं तर त्याच्यामुळे जास्त प्रमाणात व्हॉट इज अ पॉलिमरेज चेन ऑफ द रिॲक्शन इट इज नॉट व्हेरी वेल. ओके, बट देन द इयर ऑफ 1989, in this the year the scientists there are the again these are the describing to the in detail. In this they are using the tag DNA polymerase. Okay, so आणखी एक पॉइंट सांगतो मी तुम्हाला. what is the purpose for to the polymerase chain of the reaction? लक्षात घ्या, it is an important point. This is asked in the various questions. Okay, what is a PCR? What PCR? It is a polymerase chain reaction that is especially it is using for to the synthesizing the million copies of the DNA from to the small of these the molecule. Okay, small segments of to the DNA that to the form the million copy of this the DNA through the polymerase chain of the reaction. Okay, जर एखादं एक्झाम्पल सांगतो आपल्याला, जर एखादं जीन्स पाहिजे असेल, okay, this is the industrial important gene, environmental important genes, okay, any other important genes in this the world, okay, they are synthesizing the one organism and they are synthesizing in a very minute quantity. Okay, so we are needing the higher amount of this the DNA for to the transformation to the another organism. Okay, for these purposes in this the traditional uses, so we are using the molecular cloning. Okay, we are already discussed the cloning. These are the different type of the plasmid, different type of the vectors, cosmid, phasmides, okay, PBr3D2. These are the using for to the cloning purposes. Okay, but it is required to the higher amount of the time and the some disadvantages it is also occur, so we are already discussed. Okay, then these purposes for to the small time to the large quantity of these the product obtained purposes, so we are using the polymerase chain reaction. Okay, so the gene cloning, these are the natural methods, so we are the transferring of this the gene into this the bacteria or to the host organism for to the replication purposes. Okay, these are the replication that is occurs in the naturally. We know that the plasmid they are the autonomously self-replicating molecule. Okay, then this the polymerase chain reaction, it is a totally artificial methods. So in these the methods, these are the artificially to synthesizing the large or the million copies of this the minute quantity of this the DNA molecule. Especially it is using for to the DNA synthesis, but it is also applying for to the synthesis of the RNA to DNA. Okay, this is a reverse transcriptase of the polymerase type of the reaction. They are to converting the RNA single stranded RNA into the single stranded DNA, then to the single stranded DNA that converted into the double stranded DNA. Okay, so the enzyme reverse transcriptase work type of this the reaction that is also occur in a polymerase chain reaction. Okay, now there are the various application of this the polymerase chain of the reaction, so we are discussing the later. Okay, before, so the polymerase chain of the reaction, okay, in this the reaction, these are the various types of this the reaction. Okay, various types of these the types of the polymerase chain of the reactions. Okay, but simply what is the mechanism of this the polymerase chain of the reaction, so we are discussing here. Mechanisms of polymerase chain reaction. Okay, so DNA replications involve the polymerization of the nucleotides. Okay, the DNA replication मध्ये काय होतो, polymerization of these the nucleotides. तर न्यूक्लियोटाइड्सचं काय होतं, त्याच्यात पॉलिमरायझेशन होत असतो. तर त्याचप्रमाणे त्याच्यात जे एन्झाइम्स आहेत, वी नो अबाउट द DNA replicating enzymes. There are the different types of these the enzymes. There are the involved in the DNA replication like the polymerase, primase, okay, primer. Okay, there are the involved in the replication purposes. So same like that. So in this the normal replicating process, there are these the normal polymerase. Okay, we know that that are the three different types of these the polymerase: polymerase first, polymerase second, polymerase third. In this the prokaryotic, like to this the eukaryotic, that is alpha, beta, beta dash. Okay, these are the delta. These are this type of these the polymerase in this the eukaryotic level. Okay, same like these the polymerase are using for to synthesizing the nucleotides. Okay, ते काय करतात, न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स ऍड करत असतात. दिस द ग्रोविंग चेन ऑफ दिस द replicating molecule. Okay, we know that it is a stand replication purposes. One stand it is act as a template and the another stand it is act as a complementary to it. Okay, so in this the primase, this is a first that binding to that of this the DNA, then they are the synthesizing the nucleotide through the polymerase. Okay, so different type of the polymerase interact to this and there is the adding the nucleotide. So main in this that you are focused that the polymerase. So these the polymerase are the important for to the synthesizing the nucleotides. We know that the four types of the nucleotide that are present in the DNA, that is adenine, thymine, cytosine and the guanine. Okay, so they are the adding or to synthesizing these the nucleotides in that of the growing chain of these the complementary strand. So in this the normally these are the polymerase first, polymerase second, alpha, delta, beta. Okay, but in these the polymerase chain of the reaction, these are the important polymerase, that is a Taq polymerase. Okay, these are the Taq polymerase are using in a polymerase chain of the reaction for to synthesizing the nucleotides to the टेम्पलेट स्टॅम्प. ओके, तर त्याच्यात सर्वात अगोदर जे आहे मेकॅनिझम्स मध्ये टॅग पॉलिमरेज इट इज युजिंग इट इज what is a tag polymerase, that is tag polymerase it is same like activity like with the polymerase, but important property is that in this the polymerase chain of the reactions we are also discussing in this the later that there are the higher amounts of that of the temperature are using for to the polymerase chain reaction. Okay, so the tag polymerase, this is a thermostable polymerase. It is a thermostable because it is resistant to the higher amount of that of the temperature, because in these the PCR reactions there are the higher temperature are the maintained for to the reaction purposes. Okay, so the Taqman polymerase it is a thermostable in this the nature. What is the full form of this the Taqman polymerase? T stand for the thermophiles. Okay, we are know that in these those organisms are the growing in a higher temperature, so it is known as a thermophile. So T it is stands for thermophiles. A stands for aquaticus. Okay, thermophiles aquaticus, that is a species, the genus it is a thermophilus and the species is a aquaticus, that is responsible for to the synthesizing the Taqman polymerase in this is the extreme condition, that is a higher in a temperature. Okay, so these are the isolated from the thermophilus aquaticus, there is a name is suggests that Taqman polymerase. Okay, so here we are discussing the mechanisms. So three type of these the mechanisms are the possible in this the polymerase chain reaction, that is a first is a separation of two strand, that is known as a denaturation. So these are the three steps is carried out in polymerase chain reaction, that is a denaturation, next is annealing, then the last step of the mechanism it is a extinction. Okay, these are the three step of the process are the carry out in this polymerase chain of the reaction. That is the mechanism is that first is a denaturation, another is a annealing, and the third one is a extinction. Okay, so first we are discussing the denaturation in detail. So for your simple understanding, we are always talking to the DNA replication process. In this the natural process, because of these the DNA replication process, they are the same like in the polymerase chain reaction, but it is a artificially, not in a natural manner. Our DNA replication process is a natural manner, replicate it in our host organism, but in the polymerase chain of the reaction we are the artificially to synthesizing the DNA. Okay, so first step mechanism it is a denaturation. So okay, denaturation in these, so in the natural replications the replication start, this the enzyme helicase it is act on that of the DNA, and that it can be strand breakage can be occur. Okay, so same like in this the polymerase chain reaction, the denaturation it is acquired for to the separation of two strand, separation of two strands. जेव्हा आपलं रिप्लिकेशन होत असतो तेव्हा काय असतो, two strands are the separate out because this the one strand it is act as a template for to synthesizing to the complementary strand. Okay, both the two strand it is a template and the two strand it is a complementary synthesizing. Okay, that is a denaturation process. So it is a separation of the two strand. The denaturation temperature that is normally 90 to 98 degrees Celsius. Every amount madla higher temperature are required for to the denaturation of our the DNA. Okay, in this the denaturation the two strands are the separate out, then the one strand is act as a template for to the synthesizing the complementary strand. Okay, so the another mechanisms, extinction. Another mechanism is the extinction. So extinction in this the two complementary primer we are adding in this of the reaction mixture tubes. We know that about the natural replication process, so the two strands are the separate out through the helicase. After this the one strand is act as a template, so then to the next replicating enzyme that is a primase. Okay, that is a RNA primase that is adding to the small 5 to 15 nucleotides of the short primase RNA. Okay, then adding to that of the template strand, it is complementary to it, then to the polymerase interact to this of the strand. Okay, तर एक्सटिंक्शन मध्ये काय होणार, त्याच्यात प्रायमेसची गरज असणार आहे आपल्याला, कारण की प्रायमेसच्या शिवाय DNA replication it is not possible in this the natural manner also, in this the artificial manner also. So we are adding the artificial primers. Okay, we are adding the artificial primer in this of the reaction mixture tube in a polymerase chain reaction. Okay, in this the natural process the primase enzyme that is adding the primer on that of the template stand, but in the artificial condition it is not present in this of the reaction mixture tube. So then we are adding the artificially in this of the reaction mixture, so we are adding the primers. Okay, so these are we are adding the primers. So these primers are the complementary to that of the DNA. So it is a 10 to 15 nucleotide of that of the sequences, and it is a complementary to that of the template stand. Okay, so in this the extinction, so we are applying this for to the interacting purposes. Reaction mixtures मध्ये आपलं DNA denatured DNA आहे आणि त्याच्यात आपण काय टाकलं, supplemented with the primer. Okay, the for to the primer interaction to that of the complementary DNA, so we are required for the some temperature artificially, that is a 55 degrees Celsius temperature for 20 minutes. कशासाठी? For primer annealing. Sorry. So here is a type of annealing. So next mechanism that is a annealing, not is a extinction, it is a annealing mechanism. So in this the annealing, so we are adding the primer that is a 10 to 50 nucleotide, it is a complementary to that of the DNA. Okay, then we are acquired the temperature for the 55 to the 20 degrees Celsius for to the interacting of the primer to that of the template DNA. Because काहीतरी जर आर्टिफिशियल असेल तर काहीतरी आपल्याला टेम्परेचर वगैरे एखादं निश्चित प्रमाण ठेवावं लागेल, कारण की ज्याच्याकरून ते जे प्रायमर आहे की त्याला बाइंड होतील. ओके, सो एनेलिंग टेम्परेचर दे आर द प्रायमर्स आर बाइंडिंग टू दॅट ऑफ द टेम्पलेट DNA. इट इज प्रोसेस इज नोन एज अ एनेलिंग. ओके, सो द लास्ट स्टेप दॅट इज अ extinction. Okay, it is the last step of this the mechanism, the completion of this the polymerase chain reaction. Okay, so in this the extinction, it is required to the 72 degrees Celsius temperature for 30 degrees Celsius 30 minutes. Okay, 72 डिग्री सेल्सिअस वर आपल्याला काय आहे 30 सेकंड्स वर these cycles for run. Okay, 72 degrees Celsius to the 75 degrees Celsius for to the 30 second. What is the meaning of the extinction? For to synthesizing of the long strands of this the template stand. Okay, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी स्टँड्स आहेत, त्याला प्रायमर बाइंड झालेला आहे. बिफोर इन दिस द annealing temperature. After this the annealing, the extinction process is carried out. In this the extinction process 72 degrees Celsius to the 30 second for to the applying of the extinction to synthesizing the long of this the molecule. In this the tag DNA polymerase that is act on this the primer, and there are the adding the complementary nucleotide to that of the template strand, and this the synthesizing of this the template to the complementary strand. Okay, so these are the mechanism of the polymerase chain of the reaction. So it is complete reaction, it is required for to the one cycle, it is required for to the 1.5 minute. Okay, 1.5 minute, 1.5 मिनिटामध्ये ही रिएक्शन होणार आहे. पॉलिमरेज चेन ऑफ द रिएक्शन one cycle. Okay, not the all the cycle, that is a one cycle required at least the 1 and 15 second. Okay, 1 minute 15 second. Okay, this is a mechanism. लक्षात घ्या. First reaction, that is a denaturation, then to the primer extinction, primer annealing, primer annealing, it is the next process, then to the last one, that is a extinction. Okay, so different type of the temperature and different type of the reaction mixture are the involving for to the completion of this the polymerase chain reactions. Okay, here we are completed the what is the mechanism of this the polymerase chain of the reactions. Okay, what is the procedure? Procedure काय आहे पाहून घ्या. So firstly we are taking the desired molecule of this the DNA for to synthesizing the large quantity and the million copies of this the DNA. To select the target DNA for synthesis purposes. Okay, then the next step सिलेक्शन केलं की जो आहे आपल्याला जो टार्गेट डीएनए त्याच्यापासून मिलियन कॉपी ऑफ दिस द डीएनए सिंथेसाइजिंग. ओके, आफ्टर धिस ओके त्याच्यानंतर काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला हे सिंथेसाइज करायचं आहे. त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, त्याच्यानंतर प्रायमर घ्यावे लागतील. फर्स्ट इन दिस द रिएक्शन मिक्सचर, सो वी आर गिविंग द ट्राइस बफर for to the completion of this the reaction. These are the reaction not occur in this the water or the any type of the solvents. So this reaction mixture, so it is properly in this the buffer, especially trice buffer it is using for to the reactions. Okay, so in this the trice buffer, so we are getting the DNA, that is a target DNA, then we are adding the primer that is complementary to that of the DNA. Okay, 50 to 25 nucleotide that is using of the two primers. One is a forward primers and another one is a upward primers. Okay, so you know that in this the DNA replication process, so one strand it is synthesizing in the continuous manner and the another strand it is synthesizing in a discontinuous manner. So it is known as a lagging and the leading strand. So for this is reason is that, so we are using this the two type of the primers, that is a forward primers and the backward primers. That is forward manner for the continuous synthesizing strands and the backward primers for to the discontinuous synthesis strand. Okay, so these purposes, so we are using the two types of the primer. Then we are adding this the reaction mixture, they are containing the trice buffer with this the target DNA. Then we are adding the primer. Okay, after this the adding the primer, so we are then we are adding the cofactors like the magnesium. Okay, we are know that, so various types of the enzyme that is very actively work when they are interact with the coenzymes like the magnesium and the cofactor also. So magnesium it is also using as a cofactor to for the completion of this the reaction in this the reaction mixture. So we are add then the Tachman DNA polymerase. After this the addition, this is the reaction cycle. These are the continue in this the manner. After this the 27 to 29 cell cycle, division cycles, replication cycles, the cell cycle is a stop. Okay, because what is a cell cycle stop? Because of this the This the using of this the primer, using of this the polymerase that are the not working after this the 27 to the 30 cycle of that of the DNA replications. Okay, so continue this the cycle in this the area every of the 1 minute 15 second. This is the completion of the one cycle. So it is in this the 13 minutes. Okay, in this the 30 minutes we are carry out the million copies of that of the DNA, because it is a mechanism of this the PCR cycle, that is a one DNA that is synthesizing the 2 DNA molecule. Okay, and these the two that are producing the RNA-2,2 means the first cycle it is giving the 2 DNA molecule, in this the second cycle they are giving the 4 DNA molecule. So this time then to the fifth cycle that is again giving into the 60 DNA molecule. It is a n the power of the molecule. Okay, n number of these the cycle can be occurred. So it is results is that the million copies of the DNA are synthesizing within a 30 minutes. Okay, in these 30 minutes, that is the 27 to 30 cycles are completed, and we are getting the million copies of the DNA. Okay, here is the procedure of this the polymerase chain of the reaction. So last one, that is a applications of the PCR. Okay, there are the various applications of the PCR. Nowadays we are already discussed for the coronaviruses diagnosis. So in this we are using the reverse transcriptase. We are already discussed. There are the polymerase chain of the reaction, that is the various types of the reaction. Reverse RT-PCR, that is reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. It is also present in this the world to the synthesizing the RNA to the DNA. So means it is using in a diagnosis of disease. The first application is using for the diagnosis of the disease, diagnosis of genetic disorders. Okay, so in various types of the genes that are responsible for the disorderness. Okay, so this disorderness we are the studying through the polymerase chain of the reaction. So minute quantity of the DNA, it is not to the diagnosis. So we are the synthesizing the large quantity of these the diagnosis of these disorders. Okay, so next is the DNA fingerprinting. Okay, we are already discussed the DNA fingerprinting techniques. So it is also using in application of DNA fingerprinting for research purposes. It is also using in a research purposes for molecular mapping. Molecular mapping also for preparation of the molecular markers also. मार्कर्स प्रिपेअर करण्यासाठी पण आपण कशाचा यूज करू शकतो, पॉलिमरेज चेन ऑफ द रिएक्शंस. टू मॉनिटर द जेनेटिक इंजिनिअरिंग, gene therapy. It is also in genetic engineering, gene therapies and study of the polymorphism. It is also the application of this the enzyme polymorphism. These are the application of the polymerase chain of the reaction. There are the different types of these the polymerase chain of the reactions. Okay, that is a immuno PCR. Okay, these are the types: hot star PCR, colony PCR, nested PCR, site direct mutagenesis. Okay, inverted PCR, Tachman PCR. Okay, these are the various types of RT-PCR. These are the types of the polymerase chain of the reactions. Okay, so we are only discussing the what is the polymerase chain of the reaction, who is invent the polymerase chain of the reaction. The Kary-Mullis, he was discovered in the polymerase chain of the reaction. Okay, the mechanism of the reaction, that is a denaturation, annealing and the extinction. Okay, these are the application. Okay, so here we are completed in detail what is a polymerase chain of the reaction. लक्षात घ्या, what is a polymerase? Poly means to the many synthesizing of this the molecule. Okay, in this the polymerase chain of the reaction, small quantity of this the DNA we are producing the artificially in this the reaction chamber to the million copies of that of the molecule. Okay, so here we are completed polymerase chain reactions. For thank you for joining this lecture.